As summer heats up, Adidas introduces a bold new addition to Donovan Mitchell's signature line with the D.O.N issue number 7 Lucid Lemon. This eye-catching release bursts with neon tones, perfectly reflecting the season's vibrant energy. While the version previewed is grade school-sized, an adult-sized run is also expected. The upper features a striking Lucid Lemon base, complemented by lime-burst accents on the tongue and collar. A splash of flash Aqua at the forefoot adds a refreshing contrast, while Mitchell's spider logo sits prominently on the tongue. The silhouette retains its signature low-cut, zip-shroud construction, designed for maximum speed and court-ready agility. Although Adidas has yet to announce an official release date, the D.O.N issue number 7 Lucid Lemon is expected to launch sometime this summer through Adidas.com and select retailers. Fans of bold colorways and performance-driven design won't want to miss this electrifying drop.